This LG American-style fridge freezer has an impressive capacity, providing amazing storage space in a modern steel design. With over 601 litres of capacity, there's lots of space to stock up on favourites for the whole family, so you can buy more and shop less. LG's unique Inverter linear compressor is quieter to run and lasts longer than conventional drives. Energy consumption is reduced by up to 32%, helping the environment and saving on utility bills. And it's backed up with a 10-year LG warranty, providing added peace of mind. Enjoy refreshing drinks without the need for plumbing or installation with the non-plumbed water tank. The easy in and out tank holds up to 4 litres, providing chilled water on demand. The clever Moist Balance Crisper collects excess moisture from salad, fruit and vegetables, so produce stays fresher for longer without becoming soggy. And Total No Frost removes excess moisture before it becomes ice crystals, preventing the buildup of ice, so there's no need to manually defrost ever again. Minimize odors with the Pure and Fresh filter, which actively deodorizes the fridge. The fan circulates air around all 3 levels, delivering constant freshness. Troubleshoot from home with smart diagnosis, helping reduce the need to call out an engineer. Instantly upgrade any kitchen with this stylish LG American-style fridge freezer, providing plenty of storage for the whole family.